Hello and welcome to episode 2 of TrouDigital's tutorial video series. In this episode, we will be looking at the Creative tab in greater detail. We will show you how to access the studio where you can create presentations, how to upload external pre-made content, and finally share a Trou Top Tip that can be a great time saver. As mentioned in the previous episode, you can enter the studio by clicking the Compose button. This will then prompt you to create a name for your new presentation, as well as selecting the aspect ratio of the canvas that you will be working on. Once this has been done, simply click the Create button to enter the studio. The studio itself is where all of our different widgets are located, as seen on the left-hand side of the screen. As you can see, there are quite a few, and because of this, we will be grouping similar widgets together in future episodes and then exploring them in greater detail. Returning to the Creative main menu, next to the Compose button you will see the Add button. The Add button, on the most basic level, is useful if you want to quickly add pre-made content. Perhaps you have a pre-made video that you just want to show full screen, or an image that has been externally created which doesn't need editing. After clicking the Add button, to add a piece of content, just press the Upload button in the top right. Find the image or video you wish to upload from your computer, select it, and then hit OK. This will then add the video or image to your main Creative menu, as indicated by the new tile. Helpfully, when a file is uploaded onto your account, it becomes accessible from any computer that you are logged into on your TrouDigital account. This means that you don't have to be on your work computer to access the videos or images when creating or editing content. Finally, we will finish this episode with a Trou Top Tip that we find can really save you time. Within the Creative main menu, you will also find the Duplicate button, which allows you to replicate presentations. If there is a template design that you like, this can be a quick way to make small changes without losing the original. To do so, simply select the piece of content that you want to be duplicated and hit the Duplicate button. And that brings us to the end of this episode. In the next episode, we will look at the Playlist tab in much greater detail, showing you how to create a playlist as well as an in-depth look into how sequencing works.